In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add logo to Shopify store. Adding a logo is one of the quickest ways to make your storefront look professional and consistent with your brand. We will do this directly inside the Shopify theme editor so you can preview changes as you make them. First, log into your Shopify admin. This is your main dashboard where you manage products, orders, and your website. Once you are in, look at the left side menu and go to Online Store, then select Themes. This page shows your installed themes, and it also identifies which one is currently active on your store. Next to your active theme, click Customize. This opens the Theme Customizer, where you can control the design of your storefront. Take a moment to notice that the preview updates as you change settings, which makes it easier to see how your logo will look before you publish anything. In the left-hand sidebar, click Header. The header controls the top section of your store, which is typically where your logo appears on every page. Inside the header settings, find the section labeled Logo Image and then click Select Image. From here, you can upload your logo file from your computer, or you can choose a logo you have already uploaded in your Shopify library. For best results, use a clean, high-quality logo file. A transparent background often looks the most polished, especially if your header color changes across themes. After your logo is selected, adjust the desktop logo width slider to change the size. Move the slider slowly and watch the preview so your logo remains clear and well-balanced. A good rule is to keep it large enough to read, but not so large that it pushes your menu or other header items out of place. When everything looks right in the preview, click Save. Saving locks in your changes so the logo appears on your live store. If you do not click Save, your updates may be lost when you leave the editor. That covers everything you need to know.